Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. This video discusses element 856 of the ISO 9001 standard, control of changes. If you are new to our channel, click the subscribe button to learn about our latest releases. The clause reads, the organization shall review and control changes for production or service provision to the extent necessary to ensure continuing conformity with requirements. The organization shall retain documented information describing the results of the review of changes, the persons authorizing the change, and any necessary actions arising from the review. So, let's talk changes. Heraclitus, a pre-Socratic Greek philosopher, once said, "The only thing constant is change." Surprise, surprise, the same thing is still true today, some 2,500 years later. Changes to products and services are a way of life in the industrial world. Numerous reasons may trigger the changes. Documentation changes to support the evolution of products and services. Customer feedback. Moving to a new facility. Introduction of a new software application. Outsourcing operations. Significant changes in process output rate. Changes in raw materials. Trend analysis of customer complaints, internal nonconformities, scrap rates, etc. After identifying change triggers, let's discuss typical tools companies use to document modifications. The first process that comes to mind is document control. When we need to revise our procedures, work instructions, drawings, or any other documented information, we use this process to record the changes, rationale, training requirements, etc. The document change process also requires evidence of review and approval. We discussed this process in detail in the 7.5 videos. If you missed them, check the link below to catch up. The following method is a change control process, often called management of change or MOC. Often, these processes are documented in the corresponding procedures and change checklists. A typical checklist may include identification, such as the initiator, the date, the department, etc. Change details, description, the reason for the change. The team to assign responsibilities. Business impacts and risks. Authorization and approvals. Outcome summary, etc. Other tools companies frequently use to document significant changes in equipment and processes are validations or qualifications, such as installation qualification, IQ, operational qualification, OQ, and performance qualification, PQ. Now that we have identified various changes, what tools should we use? The answer is simple: use whatever tools you are comfortable with or what your company uses. The last requirement of the clause is to obtain the necessary approvals. This part is easy regardless of the method used. You must remember to identify and document appropriate authorizations in your records. Before we close this discussion, I would like to share some of my experiences in this area with you. Very often, change records do not address the financial benefits of projects. I see it as a significant deficiency in any change or improvement activity. Let me explain. What do you always hear when you ask, what is the purpose of a change? RI. To improve product, service, process efficiency, customer satisfaction, etc. Well folks, all these reasons are just cheap propaganda. None of us wake up every morning to come to work to improve products, services, or whatever. We all come to work for a paycheck. The same applies to business. Unless a business makes money, no owners will care about your improvements. Those products, processes, and other objectives are just meant to achieve financial benefits. So, try, where possible, to quantify the problem, estimate the project's cost, and assess the eventual return on investment. Let's summarize our discussion today. Identify and understand the triggers. Select a qualified team. Choose a suitable method. Justify the economics of the project. Document lessons learned. Show proper authorizations. Maintain records of reviews. This is all for today, folks. As always, check free downloads on our website. Do not hesitate to contact me if you need assistance implementing your lean management system. My contact info is below. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. While you do this, I will start working on my next video. I hope to see you then.